We always start a rope transfer in our descender. This allows us to abseil our weight across onto our new anchor system, our new working line. So we've got our descender on at the minute and our backup device under our original anchors, and now we're getting our new working line and backup line attached to the new anchor system. So we're using a second backup device here and our chest descender as our working line, but there's no reason why you can't use another descender. So we're just checking the function of our new lines, making sure they're working okay. Ready to start the rope transfer. So now we've got our 4 points of attachment, we can then start the transfer. So we're abseiling across. New working line and backup line will start to take tension as we abseil down, but obviously we'll end up a little bit lower than we started. And you can see at this point, if either one of the working line failed, our backup devices would stop us swinging the opposite direction. We can also ascend the new lines. If we wanted to stay at a horizontal plane, we can always go up the ropes and then down a bit on our original lines, and then up a bit to, if we're painting a beam or installing some cables, anything like that, we can maintain a horizontal line between those two anchor systems. But generally we can abseil across and just totally transfer the weight. We will end up a bit lower than we started depending on how big the rope transfer is. But once we're across, making sure underneath our new anchor lines our descender is no longer working, we can then disconnect our original lines. Only at that time can we start disconnecting from those original lines. Otherwise we risk a potential out of control swing should our descender line fail. So now we've got working line and backup line, and we can go up or down. If we need to change over, we can change over. And if we use a second backup device, it makes it a lot easier. We can just carry on working as normal. If we didn't have the second backup device, we potentially could tie an alpine butterfly knot and use a cow's tail as a temporary backup device. But a second backup device just makes it a lot easier and simpler.